If your ML350 AC isn't cooling, you don't need to suffer in traffic heat. Today, I'll show you the exact reasons the AC fails on the ML350 and the simple DIY fixes you can do right now. In hot weather, a bad AC isn't just uncomfortable. It's a warning sign of failing components that, if ignored, can turn into expensive repairs. The good news? Most AC issues on the ML350 are easy to diagnose. These are the most common signs your AC system is failing. AC blowing warm air. AC cools only while driving. Weak airflow from vents. Clicking noise from the compressor. Moisture or bad smell from vents. AC turns cold, then hot again. If you're experiencing any of these, one of the common ML350 AC problems is present. These are the major causes of AC not cooling, and they are almost always predictable. Low refrigerant, gas. AC compressor starting to fail. Broken AC blower motor. Faulty pressure switch. Clogged cabin air filter. Refrigerant leak in hoses, condenser, or evaporator. AC fan not working. Faulty AC control module. Blocked expansion valve. Most owners think the compressor is bad, but usually the issue is much simpler. Here's how to diagnose the problem at home before going to a workshop. If the fan isn't blowing, the AC will never get cold. A clogged filter suffocates airflow. Replace it if it looks dirty. If the AC cools while driving but not at idle, the refrigerant is low. When you press the AC button, you should hear a slight click. No click means compressor or relay issue. Oil stains indicate a leak. One pipe should be cold, the other warm. If both are the same temperature, there's a flow issue. The ML350 HVAC module will often report exactly what's wrong. These are the simplest and cheapest fixes ML350 owners can do. Replace the cabin air filter. Clean or replace the AC fan. Recharge the refrigerant. Replace AC relay or fuse. Clean condenser to improve airflow. Inspect and tighten AC hose connections. These simple steps solve most cooling complaints without replacing expensive parts. Some issues require proper AC tools. Compressor replacement. Evaporator leak. Condenser leak. Bad expansion valve. AC system vacuum and full recharge. If you've tried the DIY steps and still have warm air, get a proper diagnostic before replacing anything. If your ML350 AC isn't cooling, follow these steps and you'll know exactly what's wrong. Drop your symptoms in the comments below and I'll help you diagnose it for free. Like and subscribe for more ML350 repair guides and powerful DIY tips.